Hi, my name is Cassie Murray, and I'm applying to your copywriter, researcher, and producer position. I saw your job posting on Craigslist, and I knew we would be a perfect fit. A little bit about my background. I got my master's in copywriting from the Academy of Art University, and I also did an internship with it Inside Network because I'm so obsessed with gaming and the gaming culture, and my ideal job is to actually write for games. This dream came out from a Jesse Shell lecture and about how we're going to interact more with ideas, and just kind of the idea of playing with things really inspired me. So I actually created a game during my master's program, and I'm going to go through it with you. My best example of gamifying an idea is for Scotch duct tape. I realized that they were in every single emergency aid kit. And so I really wanted to do a game that helped educate people but didn't alienate them. So I created the character Gunther, who's a fashion photographer. That way he can travel the world, he's really klutzy, and he's kind of a fun character. So this page just kind of starts off with telling his story. The second page goes into where you choose the location of the shoot that he's going to go on to. So the actual gaming part is when the player helps out Gunther with his little situations by answering multiple choice questions and how to solve his problems. The first question is, Gunther puts the wrong snake around Modella's neck. It thought her arm was his lunch. What should Gunther do to stop the spread of poison? A. Suck out the venom. B. Wrap the duct tape above and below the wound and pour water on it. Or C. Apply Neosporin and wrap the wound. If the player answers correctly, Gunther gets paid and gets to go on his next job. If the player chooses wrong, Gunther loses another model. He has a total of 5, and if he gets down to 0, then the game is lost. In between each question, there's also going to be tips on how to avoid being like Gunther, where the player learns more about first aid and how to avoid emergency situations. So the Gunther game is really just a prime example of what I love to do. I love researching facts and building kind of a cool and interesting character around them, and then writing really fun and spunky kind of copy. It seems like that's very parallel to what you are trying to do. You're trying to educate and inform people through fun acts, and I can very easily fit into any kind of brand voice that you're aiming for. It seems like right now, because you're in beta testing, you're really looking for an editor. I can definitely give you the copywriter's spit and shine to all of their kind of either tutorials or basic gameplay. I'm very good at script writing. For more of my work, just go to CassieMurray.com. It kind of gives you all my ads, my games, and even my novel. And I'm very excited about what MyStand is trying to do, and hopefully we'll be in touch and talk more about it. Thank you so much. Bye.